Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing your device and credentials, sign into your Jump Jump account, and confirm your username and password are correct. Once done, download the official client for your operating system and allow required permissions during install. Make sure two-factor authentication is set if your account uses it, and keep the 2FA code accessible. Start the app immediately after installation, so you can move into the connection and configuration steps without delay. Next, you configure the connection details to ensure reliability and safety. Choose the recommended protocol, WireGuard for speed or OpenVPN for compatibility. Then import the provider config or enter the server address and port, making sure the server region matches your needs. Enable DNS leak protection and the kill switch so traffic stops if the VPN drops. If you need only certain apps routed, set up split tunneling now. Finally, save the profile and review permissions before attempting to connect. Now you initiate the connection. Press connect and watch for the secure tunnel status and active icon. Once connected, verify by checking your public IP on a trusted lookup and confirm access to the sites or services you need. This proves encryption and routing are working. If connection fails, restart the app, try a different server or protocol, and inspect local firewall or antivirus blocks. As a final tip, toggle the kill switch off briefly to diagnose whether local blocking is the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.